Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, wants the unwillingness of many Jamaicans to serve as jurors to be tackled urgently. The DPP insists a reintroduction of civics in the school curriculum is needed, as well as public education from the Justice Ministry. But as TVJ's Giovanni Dennis reports, the Justice Minister disagrees with aspects of the DPP's suggestion.
The DPP isn't usually afraid to say what's on her mind. And Paula Llewellyn was not mincing words when she spoke of what she called a pet peeve, Jamaicans shying away from jury duty.
It has to do with the fact that a lot of persons will say that they're afraid. But if you speak to them, frankly, they can't really tell you what they're afraid of. They're afraid of a perception.
For attitudes to change, she insists a sense of community obligation has to be instilled from as early as 3 years old.
We need to find a way in the classroom from basic school, in addition to celebrating Jamaica Day. But in terms of the curriculum, whether a modified version of civics, but some module that is going to impart from the time you are 3-4-year-old, the importance of what it means to be a citizen.
She says the Justice Ministry must educate the public on the importance of serving as jurors.
You know, the way that you have the public education in terms of HIV or AIDS or human trafficking, I think that sort of concentrated, consistent public education has to be done.
But Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, while accepting that getting jurors is a major challenge, disagrees with the approach suggested by the DPP.
I don't necessarily think that a public education campaign is the approach. And yes, there are some persons who are fearful, but most persons, once they're summoned and they're aware that they have to serve, they know they must come to court, otherwise they could be fined.
He says police have challenges serving summons on persons selected for jury duty, and that is the heart of the problem.
The court is still using the voters list, and perhaps more than 50% of the persons who can serve as jurors are not at the address that the summons are served.
Section 39 of the Jury Act says a fine of $10,000 can be imposed on anyone who does not attend court after being served a summons to act as a juror. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.